Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can increase and decrease contrast when you upload the picture in your Instagram account. This is easy process, just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this, and after that you are seeing the option here, bottom part, plus icon in the middle of the icon, plus icon. Click on this and choose photos. Okay, so I just choose this one, and you can fit it here, that according to your image. And after that, just click here the right top corner arrow button. Okay, so after that you can see here the edit option, this part, the bottom part, click edit, and here you can see the third option, contrast, this one, click on this. So this is the default, and this is the exact image. So this is the exact image according to your capturing image. Okay, so if you want to increase contrast and if you want to decrease contrast, then you will easily do this. So just drag this icon, circle icon, and drag it right side, then your picture will more sharp and more visible. And if you decrease this, then you can also decrease this. So it depends on your picture quality and picture visibility. Okay, so you just uh, drag this, so it works when you think that your picture quality is good. I hope this is good for me. Okay, after that, just done, then your picture is applied contrast effect. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.